my name is Barbara D. Guarantee. I work out here in trailers and vans, and today I'm going to do a quick little video on a 189 MB, which is a Sundance product. It's a Heartland product, and the name of it is a Sundance Ultra-Lite. So this is meant to be towed with utility vehicles and lighter trucks, like maybe a half-ton truck. What's really nice about this particular unit is it has a lot of extra features. It's got power stabilizers, it's got a power tongue jack, with a light of course, dual tanks, barreled ceiling, so all the rain and snow or whatever, what have you, will dissipate off of the top of the roof. As you walk in the front door, you're going to find a really nice little couch, and the bed is a Murphy bed, so that's folded up in the wall. You have a spacious area, a really beautiful bathroom, a dedicated dinette, and it's just 18 feet 9 inches. So you're under 21 feet in this particular unit, and it's lightweight. So it even features the easy step stairs, so you fold them up into the door, and a lot of other little nice things. They're light, they're convenient, they're very well made. It's a barrel roof, so the water goes off. It's an aluminum caged frame. It has slam latch, so very nice thick doors on it. Great insulation, an all-weather package. How can you beat that? Give me a call. My name is Barb. I'm here at Guarantee. My number is 541-521-4232. Ring me up. I want to talk to you. Thank you.